Hello, today we're going to rig some stuff with fireworks so that we can explode them on New Year's Eve. We have 2 vacuum cleaners, a set-top box and a DVD player. And then of course a lot of fireworks. Let's start with these vacuum cleaners. We'll put a Leijonlaukaus in there. If you watched our last video you know that these are the good stuff. We removed the safety visual, or whatever this thing is, so that we can have a longer fuse and have it run outside the vacuum cleaner. We'll make space for it by drilling these useless plastic thingies away. Then we'll drill a hole for the fuse. Now I'll just put the bomb there. There we go. And now I'll just put the vacuum cleaner back together. This is ready, let's move on. Let's take it apart. There's just a perfect spot for this down there. Now I'll just drill a hole for the fuse again. Now I'll put it back together. Now let's put this rocket into the set-top box.
So it's now all.
Yes. Now there's a rocket there. Now we just put it back together. So now we have successfully rebuilt it. And it's in mint condition. Nobody could ever guess that there's an explosive in there. So it's great success. Let's move on. We'll put an explosive in there. So now they're done. Now we'll see if they still work, but we're pretty sure they do. So the DVD player still works. That's great. And this vacuum cleaner almost works, so close enough. We'll assume that everything is fine. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe so you don't miss the video when we blow these up, and we'll see you next time.